Welcome back to the channel, where we explore hidden treasures in everyday coins that could be worth a fortune. Today's video is all about a fascinating and often overlooked coin, the United States Sacagawea $1 coin from the year 2000 with the D mint mark. Even in worn or circulated condition, this coin holds surprising value and a unique place in American coin history. So if you have one lying around, you might want to pay close attention because it could be worth far more than just $1. The Sacagawea dollar coin was first introduced in the year 2000 by the United States Mint as part of an effort to replace the Susan B. Anthony dollar. Named after Sacagawea, the Native American woman who helped guide the Lewis and Clark expedition, this coin was designed to celebrate both American history and cultural heritage. The Denver Mint, indicated by the D mint mark, produced millions of these coins, making them common at first glance. However, over time, collectors have discovered that certain variations and conditions can make these coins significantly more valuable than expected. The 2000 D Sacagawea coin is its golden color, which comes from a special manganese brass alloy rather than actual gold. The obverse of the coin features a detailed portrait of Sacagawea carrying her infant son, Jean-Baptiste, on her back. The reverse design displays a soaring eagle surrounded by 17 stars, representing the states at the time of the Lewis and Clark expedition. Even in worn condition, the intricate design and historical symbolism remain visible, making it an attractive piece for collectors. Some coins from this year are also known for rare minting errors, such as the famous Cheerios dollar variation, which significantly increases their value. When it comes to rarity and collector demand, most circulated 2000 D Sacagawea coins are not extremely rare by themselves, but certain factors can make them highly desirable. Coins with unusual errors, strong strikes, or unique finishes can attract serious collectors. Additionally, even worn coins can gain attention if they show signs of rare characteristics or belong to limited early production batches. Over the years, interest in modern collectible coins has grown, and the Sacagawea dollar has become a key piece for many numismatists building complete collections. In terms of market value, a typical worn 2000 D Sacagawea coin may be worth only a few dollars above its face value. However, if the coin has a rare error, exceptional detail despite wear, or belongs to a special variety, its value can jump significantly. Some rare versions have sold for hundreds or even thousands of dollars at auctions. The key is proper identification and authentication, as small details can make a huge difference in determining the true worth of the coin. For collectors and beginners alike, there are several important tips to keep in mind. Always examine your coins carefully under good lighting and, if possible, use a magnifying glass to check for small details or errors. Avoid cleaning your coins, as this can reduce their value significantly. Store them in protective holders to prevent further wear and damage. If you believe you have a rare piece, consider getting it professionally graded by a reputable coin grading service. This not only confirms authenticity but can also increase the coin's market value. In conclusion, the 2000 D Sacagawea $1 coin may look ordinary at first glance, especially in worn condition, but it holds a fascinating story and hidden potential value. Whether you are a seasoned collector or just starting out, this coin is a reminder that even everyday currency can turn into a valuable treasure. So next time you come across one of these coins, don't ignore it, take a closer look, because you might be holding something truly special. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more amazing coin discoveries.